Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do people occlusion in augmented reality using RealityKit in native iOS application. Now I will first show you the demo. Unfortunately my device does not support people occlusion, so it is only supported in few set of devices. So once you run this application, you might see if you see something like this, people occlusion is not available, that means your device does not support it. So I'll show you what exactly is a people occlusion. So here I have just recorded a video of my app running. So once I grant the camera permission, here you can see once proper lighting has been detected in your environment, it will place a 3D model on your scene. So here you can see I'm trying to move my hand over the 3D model, and the 3D model is not getting blocked. Instead the 3D model is coming on top of my hand. So that's what people occlusion is like. The 3D model which we place should behave like real objects. So if I try to move my hand over the camera, the 3D object should not appear on my hand because it is already placed on floor. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So firstly you will have to create a native iOS application. I'm using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Then inside info.plist, so this one I have added this camera usage description permission. Then inside view controller I have imported UIKit, RealityKit, ARKit and combine. I have added this cancelable for combine. Then I have just created one AR view, AR world tracking configuration, plane detection, horizontal and vertical, environmental texturing automatic. And here we just create our AR view, set our frame to it. Then we create an anchor entity. Here I am just loading. I have just dragged and dropped one 3D model or UHDZ model. You can use whatever model you want. Just use a UHDZ model. Search on Google for it. You will find the Apple website for it. You can download any UHDZ model you feel like. Here you can see I'm just using that, and then I'm using combine to load the model asynchronously. So once your environment has been detected properly, it will place your model on your particular environment. And then we just check for this AR world tracking configuration, person segmentation with the depth, and if this is nil, that means people collision is not available for you, same like me. And then you can just do config.frames semantics.insert percent segmentation with width, and just run your AR view session. That's it. You don't have to worry about anything else. That's how you can enable people occlusion inside your device. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.